Hi, my name is Mohammad Asim, and today I will be explaining the linear interpolation method. This method is also known as the false position method, and it is very similar to the secant method which Zaim explained in the previous video. If you don't know what is the secant method, then please go and watch our previous video in which Zaim clearly explained what is the secant method. So let's get right to this method. Now, this method is also very similar to the method that we explained before, which is secant method. The only difference is that the values of x2 and the x1 and x1 are determined by their signs instead of the shifting. So first of all, we will use this formula for determining the root. Now we have taken two values x1 and x0. We have determined these values by putting the values of x in this function. First of all, we will get x1 and then we will get x. First of all, we will get x0 and then we will get x1. Now, in this case, the sign of fx0 is minus and the sign of fx1 is positive. And we have to find the root which lies between these two points. Now, first of all, in order to determine a point between these two values, we have taken the variable x2, the values of all these values in this formula, and we will get the value of x2. Now, moving on to the next step. After that, we will put the values of x. After that, we will put the value of x2 in the values of x here in these variables, and we will get our answer in either positive sign or negative sign. So if we get the function as negative number, then we will replace it with x naught. And if we get it as a positive number, we will replace it with fx1. Why we have done that? Because this value has a negative sign and this value has positive sign. So we have replaced it with the values with the same sign. Now we will again implement this method in the second iteration, replacing the values of x1 or whether x0 that is based on the sign, and we will put the value of x2 in the place of x1 or x0 in this value, or also the function of x2, and we will implement the iterations like this till the exact root or till the given number of iterations are completed and we have found out the root or the closest value to the root. Now this was the false position method in short. So this is it for the explanation and theory part of the false position method. If you did not understand it, please leave it in the comments below and I will be sure to answer it. In the next video, Zaim will explain what are the possible scenarios and examples where this method can be implemented. Thank you for watching.